In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new time project. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. This is an enterprise level feature, so you do need to have enterprise permissions. Make sure you have selected your enterprise, then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. Choose Projects/Tasks from the drop-down menu. You should arrive at a list of your current projects or tasks. To add a new project, click the Add Project button in the upper right-hand corner. Now you can create your project. You do need to give it a project code, so I will put AH007 for the After Hours Restaurant. You do want to make sure these codes line up with the codes that you're using in your payment software, so that way when you export them, everything goes smoothly. Then give this new project a name. I'm going to call this Hostess/Host. And any notes for this project. I'm going to say Front Desk Backup. This project is for the servers who are going to be assigned to back up the front desk if they need help. If you want this project enabled, leave that box checked. If you don't want to enable this project yet, you can uncheck that box. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this project, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see at the very bottom, Hostess/Host AH007. That project has been added. That's how you can create a new project. Check out the next video to learn how to add a task so you can use that project.